There's a question here written, how do you estimate tax withholding for Roth conversion? You have to combine it. I use the software and where I enter the different types of incomes I have, even myself. Okay, so I have my salary this much this year. I have this dividends I know I'm going to get. I have this and this and this. And then I add in what do I want to convert to a Roth and see what tax bracket I'm in, and I can estimate what's going to be the extra tax because of this Roth conversion. Does that make sense? And then the follow-up question, how much do you know to do Roth conversion without going over the tax rate? Well, that's how you got to do it. You got to project it. You kind of need some software. You need somebody like me or somebody else. If you don't have the software, you got to estimate and work your income and almost do a tax return. You can do it in Excel as well. You just got to get into it and really understand what gets taxed, what doesn't get taxed, and figure out what tax bracket you're in. And, when you add the Roth conversion in on top, how much extra tax are you going to pay? And then figure out if that is a good plan in that current year or not. Because, if you're $5,000 below, I think it jumps from 24 to 32, right? So if you're at 24% tax bracket and you take this Roth conversion in that year and it bumps you up to 32%. So are you willing to pay an extra 8% tax on your Roth conversion money? I think that's the question that you have to decide for yourself, which is what's happening.